My wife died and I was looking for something that to take my mind off, and I went down to the shed and it was brilliant. I always know there'll be somebody there that I can actually turn around and say, look, do you mind if we go and I cry with you? Which is unheard of in men's circles up until now, I think, because women talk, men don't. And that's the reasoning behind the shed. It started up for mental health, for men's mental health, and it has done wonders, absolute wonders for men's health.
I was at a bit of a loose end, so the men's shed gave me a little bit of purpose in my life.
I find the shed to be very rewarding. I have very few skills, as anyone here will tell you, but I have picked up skills I didn't even know existed. I've actually made many new friends since the shed opened. We do have instances where members have perhaps lost a partner or a wife, had illness, and they get great benefit just from the camaraderie and the joking that goes on and the support that they receive as well.
I think it's absolutely wonderful. The guys are all brilliant and I really enjoy it.
Some of the boys have maybe lost their wives and they're maybe fed up watching the television and maybe working in the garage on their own. At least they can, when they come here, they've got quite a bit of company.
It is a good crowd and it's helped my mental well-being.
I thoroughly enjoy it. They're a great bunch of people and everybody's very willing to help each other.
It's good for the mind because it gets the old brain cells working rather than sitting in the house watching the telly.
When I retired, I didn't have a lot of friends around here, and then the men's shed opened, which was absolutely brilliant. The other thing is the things you can do. I mean, I've worked in construction, but I've never really worked a lot with wood. So now I've decided to make a dulcimer. So this is really an interesting thing for me to do. Because everybody says I never finish anything. So now I'm going to prove them wrong, you know.
Lets me reconnect with people I knew already, and I've got to know a lot of other people.
It's been really helpful to me to feel that I'm part of the community and doing work for the community.
I don't think I've missed a day. It's given me something in life that I didn't have before. When I retired, I was X's and O's. With the social side of the men's shed as well is great. It's magic.
All of these other tasks that I've done since I retired, the most rewarding and enjoyable has been to see this men's shed grow. The tea break that we have every day, every Wednesday, is very important for fellowship, and you just listen to the buzz around the place and the banter that goes on, and it's a fantastic place to be.